Hey, it's me, Gareth, from Port Monkeys, and today we are on the Grand Princess, and we are in cabin E614. Now, cabin E614 is an Oceanview cabin, and in fact, an obstructed ocean view. So what looks like a mirror there, see Janet, see me, is really a window. But outside the window is a lifeboat. And it says Grand Princess on the window of the lifeboat. And you can see it on the other side if you look far enough. Now there is a spot right in the front where we can see out.
And up here.
And up above. So found some ducks. So we're in Cabo, and of course they use the lifeboats for water shuttles, tender boats. And early this morning around 6 a.m. they lowered it just that much. Yesterday they lowered it all the way and used it. So you could see the two in front of us are missing completely. They're using them. But the one in back they lowered part way and just left it there. But they'll be putting that back up in an hour or so because we're going to be leaving here. And we'll be completely obstructed again. So I can look out the window and see cables and pulleys. But I can look out the window. Let's first talk about nightstands. There is a USB-A port and a light switch. And by the way, these swivel, although this one's installed backwards, I would say. Should have been this way, so it would swivel over here, and the switch and outlet are here. But anyway, drawers, little cubby, comfy bed. See, this one is on the side, so I don't know why. I don't know if somebody doesn't pay attention to it or what. So, when you get done unpacking, the beds have enough room under them that you could slide your suitcase under there. Should be enough clearance. Just like so. So I pulled the bed out. I remember the nightstands are movable, right? But this is what I was talking about. That's European. That's what the lamp's plugged into. And over on the other side, somewhere, is another one for the other lamp. But there are no USA outlets behind the bed. So, USB ports, both nightstands, and again here. I think that is an Australian outlet, but two USB-A's here too. So 4 total so far. There are 2 USA outlets right there. And of course a phone and a blow dryer, which I'm told gets, oh yeah, very, very hot.
It's a different blow dryer than on the balcony.
Yeah, we're on back-to-back cruises, and we're starting the second leg, and we moved cabins. And so the blow dryer in the other cabin didn't work. It just blew cold air. Is that it?
No, the bottom one.
And it's got a little light on it for some reason. And it's got a mirror, chair, trash can. That's wider than it was in the other cabin, isn't it? By a couple inches. Anyway, drawers. We've just been moved here, so we, haven't emptied anything out. They just brought our mini bar. We're not into brandy or tonic water, so we're going to trade those for something else. Our refrigerator, in this cabin anyway, has no shelves of any kind. So they're looking for one. but yeah, we may have to go with no shelves. Little table, glass top. The spot where the TV used to be. You remember when they had little cathode ray tube TVs? But what that means is now we have an outlet, another USA outlet. So one up there, two over there. I will show you behind the bed later, but it's probably going to be a European outlet since the ship was made in Europe. Let's go to the bathroom. We'll talk about the TV later too. So first of all, I think the closet or cabinet, whatever you want to call it, is smaller, narrower than it is on the newer ships. Remember, Grand Princess is more than 25 years old. Does have a safe though. I haven't checked to see if anybody left us anything. The closet is definitely narrower, and in our other cabin, these were underneath the bed, so we got full shelf space. So I don't know about that, but I mean, I know they're normally up there, and so we had to ask for extra hangers, and it's weird. I think some of our clothes didn't make the trip, but anyway. Bathroom, toilet, shower. Got one of these, not removable. On every ship that has one of these that we go on, there's this piece loose. So I'm not sure what the deal is. The Princess has switched over from Lotus Spa soap and shampoo to Beekman 1802 shampoo and conditioner, fresh air, and body wash. Alright, so this bottom knob is water pressure. I'm not going to turn it on. And this is temperature in degrees Celsius, so 20, 30, and this knob is going to lock in, or it should, at some point. So I don't burn myself, it didn't lock in. So it should lock in about 35, which is super hot, just so you know. Towels, toilet paper, sink, hand wash, and body lotion. So I'm not sure what the difference between hand wash and body wash in the shower are. Little shelves, outlet for shavers only, mirror, and that's pretty much it for the bathroom, the closet area. It's all a little bit smaller than it is on the newer ships, like the Caribbean Princess. Not that it's new, but it's newer than this. So let's talk about the television. Princess TVs, stateroom televisions, have a lot of features. It's got a welcome aboard, it's got the wake show, which is the cruise director's show, it's got the bridge cam. It takes forever, so I'm not gonna wait here for it. Safety essentials, guest services, vibe. There's all sorts of things to explore. I mainly want to show you movies and TV. There are a bunch of movies. Hundreds. There are literally hundreds of movies on board to watch, all complimentary. They don't charge for movies. Also, there's live TV that's really limited to those channels. If I go down, oh, and the bridge cam again. TV series, you could watch The Love Boat. You could watch And Just Like That, Bob's Burgers, Everybody Hates Chris, Gilmore Girls, Food Network, HGTV, and so on. So, like I say, Princess television is pretty good if you're going to spend a lot of time in your room. And that's about it for this cabin. So Janet wants to say,
We'll see you in the next part.
bye.
Bye.
So it's 5:38 in the morning. Of course, we're getting off the ship today, but this started playing over the loudspeaker.